Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So in this video, I will show you how can you grow your Instagram account from zero followers to millions of followers in Instagram. So right now I have 1.5 million followers including my all page. So I will also show you the proof of my account so you can see and you can trust me. And so if you want to grow your Instagram account and you want to earn money from it, then watch this video till the end. And if you find this video useful, then only like this video. So you have seen nowadays lots of applications, lots of website is available. Some are few and some are paid applications also. So with the help of which you can get a lots of followers, likes and comment. But I will never suggest you to go with such paid or free application based followers, because if you will notice, if you are getting such followers from the website or from the application, you will never receive a like, comment, or even if you will notice your story views, you will never get such name, username on the story view section, because they are just a fake account. They are not engaging with any of the followers. Just for a number of count you will get a followers. So in this video I will tell you how can you get active and real Instagram followers. So basically for this we should know how to use hashtag in our Instagram post. So you will think, how can we get this much number of followers just with a hashtag? So hashtag is a main role, and there are lots more things that I will tell you at the end of my video. So I will show you on my mobile screen with the proof that you can see how I am getting a followers, how I am getting more engagement just with a hashtag. So I will show you on my mobile screen. So this is one of my Instagram account. If you like, you can follow me over there. So right now this is a private account, so I will show you in my another account here. So here this is a post that I have done 3 to 4 days ago, and when I will click on view insights, you can see the reach of this post. More than 1 lakh people have seen this post, and out of which you can see the hashtag 90,000 plus people have seen this post just with the hashtag. Can you imagine, like, if 1 lakh people are seeing your post from the hashtag, and even if 0.5% people will follow you, that means 500 followers you will get it from the post. So for that, your post should be very attractive, your account should be very attractive, because the number of reaches you are getting with your hashtag, but your content should be also very attractive, that after seeing your account, after seeing your post, they will feel to follow you. So what type of content, how you should post and everything I will tell you at the end of my video. So now I will tell you how to get a hashtag, how to get a viral and trending hashtag for your account. See, for example, I have a broken heart, means broken feelings type of account. So for example, I will click on this broken heart hashtag, and you need to click on this one, and here you will see a two section is here, top and recent. Okay, so we will go with a top one. So if we will scroll down here, you can see a lots of posts are there. Okay, so yeah, here you can see this post, they have used here hashtag. Okay, so what you need to do, I will open this profile here, and you can see this person is having just 8500 followers. Okay, the followers is 8600, and when we will go and see the likes of this post, this is 3000 likes. This is really very good likes, because the number of followers you are getting, you will not get a same number of likes. This means this post is having more than 40,000 to 30,000 reach. Their hashtag is really working. So you can copy this hashtag. So if you don't know how to copy the hashtag of any Instagram post, I have added the video. I have also made a video on this, and I have added the video on my video description. You can get it from the description. And in same way, if you will come down here, you can see all from the top post. This account is having just 2300 followers. So if you will see the likes here, this account, they got around 4500 likes in this post. They have just 2300 followers, but the likes is 4700 to 4800 likes on this post. So you can copy this hashtag and you can use it in your Instagram post. So this is an example. Like, I have a broken feelings related account, so you need to check, you need to test for the one your accounts belong. So this is how you can search a hashtag and how you can use it and you can post it. So as I have shown you how to get a hashtag for your post, so now there are few things you should take care while you are posting something on Instagram. So the first one is the type of post you are posting. See, as I have said you, with the help of hashtag, we got 90,000 reach on our Instagram post. So if you post something that is very relatable, that means whenever people will see your post, they will feel to take the screenshot and post it on their WhatsApp, or they will feel to share it on their Instagram stories, or they will feel to share it with their friends. So your content should be very catching and very attractive. And the second point is your caption. So whenever you are posting something along with the hashtag, try to make your caption very interesting, like ask them a questions or something. So whenever you are asking something to them on your post, they will reply. See how your post is getting viral, how the post used to get in the explore section, either that is Instagram or a YouTube. Like, whenever you will get a good number of likes, good number of comments, and good number of share, this all three things, if you will get a good number of all those 3 points in a first peak hours, like you have posted now, and within 20 minutes, if you will get a good number of likes, comment, not only a likes and comment, also a share, then there will be a chances of getting your post to a explore section. Because if you are getting a good number of likes, comments, and share, this indicates that Instagram will feel this post is really good and people are loving this post, they are sharing this post, so they will push your post to a top, on the top of the explore section, and you will get a good reach on the explore section. And the another one is, whatever you post on your Instagram stories, share it in your Instagram stories. So there are many people who don't get the notification of the post that you have done, but whenever you post something on the story, they will get a red circle on the top, and the stories will be visible to all of your followers, and there will be a chances that they will know you have posted something. So from there they will know that you have posted something on your post. And the last thing is, always use a location on your Instagram post. So these all are a few things you should take care whenever you post something on Instagram. Now I will tell you few things that you should take care once the post is done. See, as I have said, we need a good number of likes, comment, and share to get our post on a explore section. So how can we get this? So if you have a multiple accounts, or if you have any close friends or any close family members, and if you are posting daily one post, or you are posting in 2 to 3 days one post, then you can ask them to do a comment, 3 to 4 comments, and also to click on the save button as you can see on my screen, and they can share it on their Instagram stories. Then this will definitely help you to increase the engagement of your post. And the second thing is, whatever the comment you have received in your post, you have to reply for each and every comments of your post within 20 minutes. Like if you have got a comment now, then within a 20 minutes you can reply. So it's not like for a complete 2 to 3 days you need to maintain it. So for the first 1 hours you need to maintain this, and after that you don't have to take care of it. Everything will go fine. To know what you need to do before posting, what all things you need to take care once the post is done. So everything is done. Now for a future, if how to maintain the likes of your post, how to increase the engagement of your post, and how to keep growing on Instagram. So for this, the one of the most important thing is like the photo of your niche. Like I have a broken type of account, so I will go to a such hashtag and I will like such post whenever I am free, so they will also get a notifications, and only like for those people who have a less number of followers, because your single likes will they will receive a notification. And if you have, so if they have so many followers, your likes, your notification will go down within, because they are receiving lots of likes in every minute. So don't like such post. Like only for a post who is having less than 3 to 4,000 followers, and they will definitely engage with your post, they will definitely engage with your account. And the second thing is you need to engage with your followers, because they are the only person who will help you to grow your Instagram account. Because if you are if you are having a good relations with them, they will definitely like your comment, they will comment, and they will share your post to their friends. So these all are the things. If you will take care of all those things in your Instagram account, I will give you guarantee that within a year you will get a millions of followers. And I don't think you need much time for this. If you have daily 1 hours also, you can maintain your single account very easily. And it is not like you should post daily 5 6 posts. Even if you are posting a single post with maintaining all those things, then you can grow very fast. And one more thing I have forgot to mention you on my video is, whenever you create your Instagram account, for example, my main account is couple page, try to use couple keywords like couple goals, family in your bio section. Because whenever people search a type of account in a search on the Instagram top, they will Instagram will suggest the account as per the keyword you have used in your Instagram account. So maintain your Instagram bio very properly. So thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.